Hey, I'm Investment Seeds. Small starts today, big wins tomorrow.
Yo, I'm Credit Score Shield. Good. I keep your money reputation safe and strong.
Today, we're breaking down Gen Z and young investor finance tips, simple style. Gen Z money life feels wild. Everyone online looks rich already.
Most people hide the messy part. Real money growth stays quiet.
People start investing without basics, just vibes and blind hope.
Vibes feel nice, but they don't pay bills at all.
So what should young investors actually fix first?
Simple rule, AFCAS. Pay every bill on time, every month.
Most people ignore credit until rejection panic suddenly hits.
Credit damage shows up late, like unwanted spoilers.
Gen Z wants fast money. Patience feels totally illegal. How small can someone really start investing?
Very small is fine. Consistency always beats big amounts.
People wait for perfect time, but it never replies.
Starting messy still counts more than never starting.
Buy now, regret later culture stresses everyone badly.
Be honest, yeah. Credit card good or bad?
It's a good tool, but dangerous without control.
Yeah, not evil, just very tempting.
Pay on time, start small, stay consistent. Oh, money gets easier.